Ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Affiliate marketing on YouTube makes it a reality. This video reveals the secrets to building a thriving channel and generating passive income. First, let's talk niche selection. Don't try to be everything to everyone. What are you passionate about? What products do you use and love? Find a niche with an audience eager for your expertise. Do some research to see what's already out there and find a way to stand out from the crowd. Next, build your YouTube channel. Create a professional and attractive brand. Your channel is your online store. Make it easy to navigate and make it look good. Choose a catchy name, a professional logo, and create a channel banner that grabs attention. Think about your brand's personality. What feeling do you want your channel to evoke? Now, let's create compelling video content. High-quality videos are crucial. While expensive equipment isn't essential, good lighting, clear audio, and engaging visuals are. Think about the different types of videos you can create. Reviews, tutorials, comparisons, behind the scenes, or even live streams. Focus on providing real value to your viewers. Before you create any videos, do your keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find the terms people actually search for on YouTube. Incorporate those keywords into your titles, descriptions, and tags. This is essential for getting discovered. Choose your affiliate programs carefully. Only partner with companies and products you genuinely believe in and have used yourself. Transparency builds trust, which is essential for successful affiliate marketing. Always follow FTC guidelines. Make sure you disclose any affiliate relationships clearly. Optimize your videos for YouTube search. Create catchy titles and eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. This is what will grab viewers' attention. Write detailed descriptions that include relevant keywords and your affiliate links. Engage with your audience. This is crucial for building loyalty and a strong community. Respond to comments, run polls, and create videos based on viewer requests. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a powerful way to expand your reach. Finally, track your progress. Use your affiliate network dashboard and YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on data. Are certain videos performing better than others? Are specific keywords driving more traffic? Pay attention to these details, and you'll continually improve your results. Ready to transform your passion into profit? Start building your affiliate marketing YouTube empire today.